In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VAT in QuickBooks in just 5 minutes. Adding VAT in QuickBooks can streamline your financial tracking and ensure you're managing your taxes correctly. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to QuickBooks Online, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Once the page loads, look towards the top right hand corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. This will redirect you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Next, type in your email and password. It's important to make sure you've entered these correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've filled in your details, go ahead and click on Sign In. This will take you to the QuickBooks main interface. Now that you're logged in, let's locate the Taxes section. From your dashboard, look for the menu on the left sidebar and navigate down to Find and click on Taxes. Clicking on this will bring up your tax overview page, where the magic happens. On the Taxes page, you'll see an option to add tax. This is where you begin setting up your VAT. Click on Add Tax and you'll be prompted to add the tax rate. In the next step, you'll click on Tax Rate. This will allow you to enter a new tax name. Here you can input a name that makes it easy for you to identify this VAT rate later on. It could be something as straightforward as your country's name followed by VAT. Moving on, you'll need to highlight the tax field for entering details about the tax rate itself. This includes important specifications like the VAT percentage you're applying. Make sure to double check these numbers to avoid any inaccuracies in your financial reporting. With the tax rate set, you'll then come to the tax agency section. Click on tax agency and from the drop down menu, select the appropriate tax agency for your region or country. It's crucial that this aligns with the regulatory body that's applicable to your business operations. After selecting the tax agency, input your purchase rate if you have one to include. This allows you to also track any VAT you can reclaim on purchases made by your business, an important step for maintaining accurate tax records. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the account that this VAT will be associated with. Make sure you select the correct account, as this will determine where the VAT transactions are recorded. Finally, verify all the information you've inputted and click on Save. Once done, you've successfully added VAT to your QuickBooks account. You're now set to manage your VAT more effectively within the platform. Thank you for following along and happy bookkeeping.